Hello. So problem number 8. Yeah, or number problem number 8. Good. Write a program to ask the user to enter mark. Okay. Which no, not this one. Max. Okay. Write a program to ask the user to enter mark. Then print pass if mark is good greater than 50, otherwise print fail. I will do this program. I don't care about explanation and I don't care about language. So whatever the video is will be like with likes, it doesn't matter. I just going to put it like that. So I need to read the mark. So I will do a function from type integer. Okay. Mm, I will do here string message. Say out this message. Cn number or mark there return mark here, and this will be, it's better to be float mark. Good. And also this one float. Good. Now I need to do a function. I will use enums and pass field. Yes, and pass equal. Okay, let's start pass by field equal 0 and pass equal 1. Okay, I will do here, I will do a function from type boolean. I will name it pass or field. So in this function I need to get the mark, so I will do float mark. I will send the mark later in a parameter, and here so if mark okay, I will do this function not type boolean. I will do this function from type enum, so I will return enum in the returning value. So if mark greater than 50, return uh, in pass. Okay, pass field pass. Good. Else return field. Good. Now I read the mark, I check the mark, and now I need to print the results. Print results. Print result. This function will be void first of all. Print result. Good. So enum. I'll type enum. There's something that I can do here. Um, I remember a way to do a casting casting between enums and other types of variables. Okay, let's continue. Branch results and pass field. Okay, if this one will equal pass cout pass. Let's see the problem again. Example inputs answer 45 output field. So yes. Otherwise else cout field. Good. Now I will write my code in the main function. So first of all, I need branch results. Can do something. Okay, I can do this like that. I can put this whole function here. Remove this one. No, I can't, because I need the variable. No, I can. So I will remove this one and put this in here. Good. Now I have this parameter. So this function will return a value from type enum, and I will see between this function and the pass. If this function equal pass, pass, else field. So branch results. I'll copy it and print it here. And inside the branch results, I need to send this parameter mark. So mark, I will put it here, remove string. Now I need to send this message that I'm already talk about is like that. See that? Please enter your mark underline \n to do the underline, and that's it. Our program is done. Let's see. Please enter your mark. For example, I get 16 in my mark, so pass. If I have 30 fill, good. Problem number, this problem is done. So let's go to another problem. Problem 9. Sum of three numbers. Write a program to ask the user to enter number 1, number 2, number 3, then print sum of entered numbers. Sum of these entered numbers. Okay, we need a function called sum. Very easy. I will remove these two functions and I will keep this one. I will keep this one. It's enough from here. Float with marks. I will call it now read number. Read number. I will save this one and here please enter the number. We'll clearly define some numbers from type and num1, num2, num3. Good. This enter number. Maybe I will remove this message from here because I need to send these numbers as a parameter, so I need to remove this message. I will put it here and I will copy them, put it here. I will send them by reference. So when I will send them, so when the function doing his job will return these numbers fail, so I can reuse them. That's why I'm using this sample here. So float mark, please enter. Okay, mark number. I will change this one to type int. Also I don't need a variable beside it. So cin, by the way, cin mean console in and cout mean console out, and I'm using namespace scd to when sometime, because if I don't use this sentence here, I need to do std. I'm gonna like that in each function. I need to do it here, I need to do it here, and whatever. I need to do this thing in all my code. So that's why I'm using namespace std to get in number 1 and please enter the numbers. Say number 1 and number 2 and number 3, and I don't need to return any value, and I will do it void function because I'm returning values by reference. Good. Now read numbers is done. I will do something. Sum three numbers. Sum three numbers. I will do cout of this function. Okay, this function will be from type int, and I will, very simple, I will sum these three numbers and return the value. So return, those problems are very easy. I'm just doing them because it's unnecessary to do this stuff like this. Very easy and simple. Okay, I have something. I need to remove this. I need to remove it. Read number and send those parameters here. What happened to the Wi-Fi? It doesn't matter. Okay, some three numbers. Let's see. Please enter the number. Please enter the number. I don't like this message. So please enter numbers. It's better. Okay. Please enter numbers. Oh, and 10, 20, 30. Okay, the output is 60. I need here to do C out. Okay, let's see. Okay. Sum of three numbers is good. That is good. Let's try again. 10, 20, 13. The sum of three numbers is 60. Okay, the problem is right. So let's move on. This done. This program is done. Now, problem 10. Average of three numbers. Write a program to ask the user to enter mark 1, mark 2, mark 3, then print the average of entire marks. Example. These are the marks. The output is 80. So we need to read marks and calculate the average. In this program, I will first of all sum some numbers and get the average. Okay, read numbers, entire mark 1 and mark. So and the problem said just 3 marks. I know it's very easy, but we need to focus on this problem. Mark 1, Mark 2, and Mark 3. I can do a loop to read marks until a user stop entered marks. So, but here in these problems, they tell us to just read Mark 1, Mark 2, Mark 3. So I will change this one again to marks, read marks, and in all these mark 1, mark 2, mark 3. I will send all of them as a parameters to read number. Okay, I will change read number to read marks. Read marks. Is that good? No, that's good. Marks. Okay, so please enter marks here. Please enter your marks. Your marks. So, by the way, if I didn't change this the program will see will work, but it will be better to change them. Yeah, mark mark 1, mark 2, mark 3. Some three numbers. Some three numbers. I will keep it. I will do not change this because it doesn't matter if these numbers are marks, nodes, data, whatever. It doesn't matter. So some three numbers. Return sum of those three numbers. Now I need to calculate the average. I will do another function called getAverage from type float. Why I'm doing float? Because the average can be with, for example, 10.5. So that why I'm using this type of float. And I can of course use double, but it will not be a good because we all know that marks uh, didn't pass 100. This is the normal. Okay, let's go. Get average. Get get average. Get average. Do you see something in my style of coding that I'm reuse my code? I just reuse this read function. I just reuse it. It's the reusability of your code. I didn't touch some three numbers. I didn't touch it because it's a function. It do one single rule. Okay, let's move on. Get average. Get average. I need this function and divised to 3. Return this function, and okay, I need to send okay, I will send this as a parameter, and here I remove all of them, and 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 okay, good. Divided by 3. Of course, I can define the variable from I will call it average, but actually in this problem I will not use it, so it's not necessary to define another variable. Just return the value, exact value. Return. So get average. Read marks, and okay, read the marks, get the sum, and get average. Now I need to print results. So I will do. I don't need to do another function called print results. Yes, I can do it, but I will not. Okay, let's do just like that. Average, and send this function as a. Oh no, I missed something. Okay, good. Mm, uh, no, is correct. It's correct. Just let's continue. Good. I need to remove this. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. I don't need to put some three numbers inside this function. And I will, okay, I need to send those three marks to, okay, good. Enter your marks. Okay, get 19, 20, 70, and 80. Okay, the result doesn't show up in the screen, so I want to see out the value. See here, look at this. I have the function sum three numbers from type integer, and the return value will be from type integer also. Okay, and here I'm doing a return from type float, and this function is already from type int. Okay, let's try again and I will explain later. Please enter your mark. Please enter your mark. Okay, 19, 70, 80. The average is 80. But if, for example, the okay, we have 33.5. Look at this. 33.5. Some error. Do you know why this error is here? Because I'm doing like that integer. If I change this to float, float, and here float, float, let's try now. 33.5, 50.4, and 88.9. Okay, the result is 57. I'm not sure if that's correct. Oh yeah, those I need to change them. Okay, float, from type float, everything is from type float here. Okay, let's try again. 9.5, 8.5, and 7.5. The result is 8.5. So we change the problem to be more correct by changing into float. So let's move on to the next problem. We solved the problem of average, and now we are in the problem of average pass fail. Write a program to ask the user to enter mark 1, mark 2, and mark 3, then print the average of entered marks, and print pass if average greater than 50, otherwise print fail. Okay, I still need to change float, but I will keep floats for at the moment. I will keep floats, I will not change it. I need to add a function to check the mark. So in this case, get average, I will send get average to another function called from type. Okay, let's go back to the okay, I need to get the output to the average as a output, and then I need to write pass or fail. So cout average, and after that I will do another function to check if this guy will pass or will fail. Good. So actually I will keep the code uh, like this. I will not touch any of these functions. I will close them because the only thing that I will do now is to add another function to check this average. This is the power. This is the power of functions. I will not do anything, just I will do one thing, is to add a function, or I don't know if this type of this function, but it doesn't matter. Let's get started. Let's keep going. So from type, from type, from type string. Oh yeah, I can do another enum. If I do an enum, mm, I don't know. Okay, I can do a variable here for type float. Okay, average, average equal this function, and then another function pass field, and I will send the average. I can do it enum, but I will do not. I will just do it simple. I will do it from type string, and I will do cout. But better way to do this problem is to define an enum from type, and inside this enum do pass and field, and after that send average and see if the average greater than 15, return from type enum, return pass, and otherwise return from type enum field, and do another function to check this return of enums if it's passed. So cout pass, otherwise cout fail. And I will do not do this. I will just do it simple. And okay, let's do it. Pass field from type string. Okay, good. And the average from type float. And here I will do if average greater than 50, so cout pass, else cout fail. Good. Okay, I miss a semicolon here. Let's try problem. No, there is an error. Okay, this is must return a value. Oh, oh yeah, I need to return the value because I have a function here. So return return. Okay, 19, 18. Wait. 19 and 18 and 17. Pass. The problem here, I need to show the average didn't show up in screen. Oh yeah, I need to do cout average. Average. Let's try again. Okay, also problem here. I need to do an end line here. Backslash n. Great. Okay, 19, 18, and 17. Pass, and this is the average is 80. Okay, yeah, I need to do an end line here. End line here, good. So this is problem is done. Let's move on. So how many problems does we solve? We solve this one. So one, we solve this one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, see how, okay. Now this problem number 11, max, number 12, max of two numbers. Max of two numbers. Write a program to ask the user to enter number 1 and number 2. So the same thing here. I will keep this function. Read marks. I will do cout please your. Okay, I will do it. Read numbers in this case. Read number 1, number 2, then print the max number. Then print the max number. Example input 10, 11. No, 10 and 20. Output is 20. 20 is greater than 10. So how do we can do this? To compare between two numbers. Okay, I don't need these. I need this one, read number. I need number 1 and number 2. Okay, let's remove all these. I need read number and number 1 and number 2. Okay, and here I will do cout please enter number 1 and I'll do cin number 1. And the same thing, I will copy it, paste it here, enter number 2, here number 2. So, and value of these two numbers will return by reference here. Good. Okay. Numbers and 1, number 2, read number. Okay. 1 and number 2. I read numbers, return numbers by reference. Now I need to do a compare between them. I need to do another function called max number from type from type int max number max number. Okay, good. Max number, and I will receive these two numbers as a parameters. It's very easy. I can do if num1 greater than num2, so return num1. What an easy question. Else return num2. This question is very easy. I didn't know that it will be like that. Read numbers. Okay, let's try and see. Oh no, I forget to do something. Okay, wait. So I get the max number. Now I need to write it on the screen. So I need to do cout of the value that I will get from this function. Good. I have 10 and I have 11. So the max number is 20. I'm sorry, I said 11, 20. Okay, good. I don't know if I will move on or I will stop here. So, what's the next problem? Problem max of 3 numbers now. I will have 3 numbers. Okay, let's do this one. Write a program to ask the user to enter 3 numbers, A, B, and C, then print the max number. Example, 3 numbers and max of these 3 numbers. Okay, I need to add another number here. And also add another number here. And okay, I will do by reference here. Number 3. Number 3. I will read this number 3. Please enter number 3. Okay, good. I'm done with 3 numbers. And here, yeah. Number 3. And number 3, okay. Good. I will do some changes in this max number. Okay, max. And previous problem I should do here max of 2 numbers. I forget this one of شنو هذا مشغولية yeah ها okay, max of 3 numbers. Max of 3 numbers if number 1 greater than number 2. Okay, let's continue. Number 1, if number 1 is greater than number 2, check if number 1 is greater than number 3. Number 3. Okay, I need here to do another if statement. Okay. So here return num1. Else if or if else. If else, okay, I will do something to make it very clear. If else else if. There is a problem, I forgot the syntax. Okay, if else or else if. I don't know. First of all, I need to check num1 is greater than num3 if it is return num1. Now if num2 is greater than num3, so return num2, otherwise return num3. Okay, if else, I don't know why this happens. Or okay, I'll do something. cd, I will look for it. We'll do here e and c, or e I forget the syntax, so I will try to do it. If else num2 greater than num3, so return num2. Okay, otherwise, okay, else return num3. else if there's an error here. They told me that it's missing, something is missing. For else, no, I know this. Okay, let's change this. Else if. Alright, this is good. I remember now the syntax. Good. Else if. Three numbers. Let's try. There is a lot of different ways to solve this problem. So I'm just thinking of this one. Okay, I get the max number is 30. Good. Let's try again to make sure that everything is working good. 25, 27, and 11. There is a problem. 11. Why 11? Why 11? Okay, there is a problem in this algorithm. I know why. Do you know why? I will tell you why. First, if statement, he compare number 1 with number 2, and he find that 55 is uh, 75 is greater than 55. So what does he do? He moved to his stop here and move to here. Oh yeah, this is the problem of number 3 and 9. Here, before it was 2. I need to correct it to 3. Okay, let's try again. I'll enter the same variables here. 55, 77, and 11. Alright, this is good. Program is working very well. So that's it for today. Okay, what next? Max numbers, swap numbers. This is a very good problem. I like this problem. So I will keep it for another day. I'll stop here.